In the latest that we are breaking to you, after Lalit Modi claimed he met BJP MP Varun Gandhi in his house in London, Varun Gandhi coming out to dismiss those allegations. Varun in his statement has said that he met Lalit for a few minutes and there has been no meetings ever since, saying that he cannot comment on something that is patently untrue and this is beyond his realm of understanding. Yes, so there you have it. This time it's Varun Gandhi who is in focus insofar as Lalit Modi is concerned. He has made several selective leaks and this time he says that he met with Varun Gandhi. This is a meeting that apparently happened 3 years ago in London. Aditya is with me for more. Aditya, at this point in time, what do you make of this? On one hand, you have Lalit Modi making selective leaks, dropping names that are on his whims and fancies. But what exactly is he trying to do here? How does this help his cause? And any clarity on what that particular meeting was about?
Well, on one hand, Lalit Kumar Modi is completely silent on any of the interviews that he can give to Times. Now he has almost become an open cannon on Twitter. But on the other hand, this morning I spoke to Varun Gandhi, who is the MP from Pilibhit. In fact, Varun Gandhi clearly did indicate at this moment that he did have that meeting in London. This was 3 years ago, early morning, but just for a few minutes. In fact, I have that statement in my hand from Varun Gandhi, which clearly mentions that the meeting did take place. He's not dismissing that meeting, but the charge that was made by Lalit Kumar Modi of resolving some differences or striking some kind of a deal is completely rubbish. Those charges are completely denied by Varun Gandhi. Varun Gandhi, in fact, went on to say that it is beyond his understanding, beyond the realms of his understanding, why he would make such charges abruptly 3 years down the line after that particular meeting just for a few days in London. So clearly at this moment the big question is, why is Lalit Kumar Modi trying to bring in Varun Gandhi's name in this entire controversy when the focus is primarily on Vasundhara Raje and Sushma Swaraj? Raje being in thick of controversy, is Lalit Kumar Modi trying to save Vasundhara Raje and Sushma Swaraj at this moment? Varun Gandhi clearly dismissing all these charges. We'll have to wait and watch what turn this controversy takes, which is centered around Vasundhara Raje at this moment.
Aditya, is this also an attempt to in some way divert attention, to scuttle the process of law? We know that the government of India has initiated the process of getting Lalit Modi back to the country. There were ED officials sent to Singapore. There were letter rogatory that were sent to the other governments where he had dealings. So do you think that he's also making in his own way desperate attempts to draw attention?
Well, Afrida, it is undoubtedly clear that this is certainly a move to distract the entire attention. The attention for the past 15 days has been on Vasundhara Raje and Sushma Swaraj. In fact, the noose seems to be tightening around both these leaders. Both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and all top leaders of the BJP have been completely silent. The opposition, which includes the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party, the JDU and several other regional parties, have been demanding resignation of both these leaders because there are allegations of impropriety and conflict of interest. In fact, the statement from Varun Gandhi that I have also clearly mentions that everyone knows the relations between the two families. He mentions the family of Maneka Gandhi and the family of Sonia Gandhi. This is on the charges that Lalit Kumar Modi made in his 3 tweets. Lalit Kumar Modi trying to defend or distract the attention from the focal point at this moment. Vasundhara Raje being asked to resign. Vasundhara Raje is being asked all the uncomfortable questions at this moment. Even as these allegations are of impropriety, conflict of interest and quid pro quo. Both Vasundhara Raje and Sushma Swaraj maintaining complete silence even as the BJP are mute spectators to this entire drama unfolding.